What's up guys, I'm Alex and today let's put a planet into the sky. So first of all, this method is called sky replacement and is usually done by keying out the sky and replacing it with anything other. But we want to take this to the next level by creating a huge moon onto the sky. So first of all, for this effect you will need just a basic shot. What I did to do this effect more interesting is to add also a subject into the shot and also some movement. From my testing I found out that it is really hard to create a side movement, and I only went for a push up movement. This is because I need to motion track the shot, because the 3D camera tracker didn't work in my case. This is because I focused most of my shot onto the subject and only at the end the moon shines. And with the 3D camera tracker the camera would follow the subject, the moon too. This is why I tracked the clouds. Again, here are some other problems because clouds are pretty hard to track because they are white. So here you must be careful so that the tracker doesn't go out of control. After your tracking is done, apply it to a null object and put your moon into the shot. For the moon I found a picture of the moon and with a dark background, and I set the blending mode to add or screen depending on your likings. After this is done, duplicate the original shot and rotoscope the talent out together with the horizon and anything that is in the shot so that you leave just the sky. You might ask yourself why we are using the rotoscoping and not keying out the sky. And this is because keying out the sky is pretty hard because the blue is not the same tone in every single part of the sky. This is why I found in my testing that it is much easier to rotoscope, although it takes much more time, but it has a much better result. After this is done, just place the moon behind your shot and parent it to the null object. Now your moon should stick to the clouds. What I also did is to color correct the moon so that it doesn't look too blue. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time.